Hello everybody, today we are doing a circular route about, I think it's like 5.5, 6 miles, circular around Cram. Yeah. The weather is not looking great. It's supposed to stop raining in a couple of hours, well in an hour. My concern is that the river's probably going to flood through most of our, through that halfway through. Words are hard.
Yeah.
Half of our route may be flooded, but that is why I don't like to just blindly follow an app, and I like to have a map because then I can look for. Huh?
That rhymed. Sorry.
Okay. Then I can look for escape routes.
Yes.
Gonna get waterproofs on and see how far we get.
Cool.
Big hill, this one.
So, hike so far has been, I'm sure as you can tell, it's been boggy, it has been very wet, and it's been very hilly. But that's good, because that's all stuff we'll probably be expecting later, because we've booked a wild camping thingamajig in the mountains, an expedition, the whole thing. That's going to be pretty exciting. I'm a little nervous for it, just because it's going to be long. It's like 10 miles a day or something like that.
Wild camping is in the Lake District, right?
Yes.
We'll be hiking up the mountains, carrying our backpacking gear, tents, sleeping bags, food. Can I just say, we did book it. I mean, that's a good first step just to begin with, just to commit to something like that.
Yeah. Should be pretty epic, I think. Plus it'll be pretty. Pretty.
Haha.
I don't know, this hike is just a nice way to just start preparing for it. Thank you, Cody, again for like Looney Tunes wrapping his lead around both our legs.
We are so tangled up right now.
What's the name of that one guy? Oh, you're like Road Runner, you can crack. Oh, I'm shot.
Oh, I really need to get a waist lead for Cody.
Yeah. So, are you excited about the wild camping thingy-majig?
The wild camping, backpacking thing.
I just like calling it a thingy-majig. I need an excuse to say thingy-majig, to be honest.
Yes, I am excited about it. It's nice to actually booked it. I don't like booking things too far in advance because I don't know how I'm going to feel at the time.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what I mean? I tend to like to book things very last minute because I know what my mood's going to be like last minute. So, but that far in advance, God knows what could happen. I could break a leg.
Yeah.
You could break a leg.
But don't pull me into this. Thank you.
And I equally don't like cancelling. But I am excited.
Yes.
Want to make sure that we're both fit enough to be able to handle it because we're going to be carrying gear. Our backpacks are going to be between 12 and 15 kilograms.
Is it 12 and 15? I thought it was 10.
No, 12 and 15.
Ah.
Whether we can be fit enough to hike up the mountain. Wow, we just took a massive diversion.
Oh, thanks, Mom. What, were we meant to go like straight across?
Yeah. So it's starting to rain and we're hungry and I want to eat, but I don't want to eat in the rain. So I always bring with me an emergency shelter. So it's not an emergency, but I don't want to eat in the rain. So we're going to set this up real quick because it only takes a second or two to put up. I can't do it. So these will stay dry. So. Right, oh my god.
Okay. Oh, up.
Stand in the corner. Move back. I need to sit down. Just sit on the edges. Can't really need this. Just sit on the edge. It's a bit tight, isn't it, Waffle?
Hi.
Hi. Cody's not happy about being inside the emergency shelter. But we are in. And we are dry. And it's big enough for me, a 6-foot something Cole, and 2 doggos.
2 ravenous beasts.
So now we're going to sit. Yes, thank you. Now we're going to sit and have our lunch in the dry. And then we will be onwards. Speaking of shelters, when we do our wild camping expedition, we need to decide on if we are going to have our own tent or if we're going to share a tent.
I'll set my own tent up.
So the pros and cons are obviously if we have each have our own tent, then we've got our own private space. It'll be easier for us to get changed, and we'll have more room. But the cons are
More weight.
Yeah, more weight by about a kilo.
That's not so bad.
But it's like a death by 1,000 paper cuts, isn't it? So the more.
Yeah, but I can't sleep with other people.
No, me either.
What are one of the things you're most anxious about?
What, right now?
No. I'm sorry. About the wild camp.
Pooping. In the
Joy.
wild. I'm worried about pooping in the wild. Like, not only in the wild, but we're going to be in a group with other people.
Oh God, yeah, I don't want witnesses.
Hopefully it'll be somewhere, like wherever we have to poop, we can find like a spot where it's a bit sheltered away from other people.
Yeah.
Or I just won't poop and
3 days ain't so bad.
it's 2 days.
Oh, you can manage.
It's really 1 day because we'll go.
Oh, we're
on the day
rounding now.
before, yeah.
Okay.
Well, because you go pooping the day before, the day of the hike. So really, it's
Right.
only when you wake up.
Okay, so there's
we're gonna
one.
be eating a lot of.
Okay, well, there's only one poo max then.
No, there's 2 poo max, but one of those we're going to be eating a lot of noodles and dehydrated food. So what I'm thinking is we won't actually need to poop on the second day.
Hope so. What are your opinions on this, Cody? Profound stuff, really.
Oh no! Our route is not just a little bit flooded.
Massively.
Massively flooded. So, yeah, we need to come up with a plan. No way of getting around that. So, we are right here. We're going to go up this road, join this footpath, go back through the woods, and that will take us back to where we need to go. So that is why I don't blindly follow an app.
Yes.
So, onwards!
This is Kirkham Priory. It is a 880-year-old building, but that isn't really the most interesting thing about it. What's more interesting is who was there. Because during World War II, it was host to, I want to say, a more secretive visit from King George and Winston Churchill. Because it was used as a training operation / testing grounds for Normandy in D-Day during World War II. So, River Derwent was used as a place to test tanks. They put tanks in the river to test if they were waterproof enough to put on the actual beach of Normandy themselves. Plus, the building itself, Kirkham Priory, was used as a training place for soldiers as well. So, yeah.